Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. My name is Gabby and in today's video we're going to be making and packing Halloween/autumnal order. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So the first design that we're making is ghosties, and I usually start with a ball of white clay and then I just shape it and smooth it out until I have the shape that I like. So each ghost has a rose attached to it, and I'm just cutting up small pieces of pink clay and I'm going to flatten it out and assemble the roses. And now I'm just going to use a bit of isopropyl alcohol to clean off the dust. White clay collects so much dust, so I always have to do this, especially for the white clay. And then I'm just going to draw the outlines of where the eyes and the mouth should go before applying black clay to it. So I'm just going to attach the roses to the ghosties, and I attached one on opposite side of the ghost. And then I'm just adding a screw pin at the top and adding some white polymer clay to keep it in place. And finally we're going to add thin black polymer clay for eyes and mouth. So the second design is pumpkin chai lattes, and I'm just making the cups and the handles and rolling out some light orange polymer clay to use as a cream, and we're going to do a little swirl on each cup. And then we're going to attach the handles that we rolled out before, and I'm just going to smooth each of the handles, and they're a bit fiddly to attach, so you'll see me struggling a lot and the handle coming off quite a bit. I'm then going to cut out a couple of beads of bright orange clay, and I'm going to start adding lines to it to represent pumpkins, and I'm going to do that to both and shape it more like a pumpkin. And then I'm going to add these to the cups, and it is a bit fiddly, so it takes a bit to get it to stick, but it does stick eventually. And then I'm just going to add some brown to make it look more like a pumpkin, including the stem. And then just going to add the screw pin at the top and secure it with a bit of orange polymer clay to keep it in place. So the next design is pumpkins, and I'm just weighing out the clay to make sure that they are the same size. And then we're going to roll it in a low bowl. I'm then going to add the lines on each pumpkin to make it look more like a pumpkin. And of course we're going to add some brown detailing at the bottom and the top, and we're going to add the screw pin and add some more brown to secure it in the piece. And then we're going to add the stem to each pumpkin, and we're going to add the detailing on the stem as well. And then we're going to repeat the same process as we did before on the second pumpkin and try to match it to the previous one. So the last design is the spooky pumpkins, and like the other pumpkins, we're going to roll it into little balls and then just add lines to it. As you can probably tell, the spooky pumpkins are bright orange compared to the other pumpkins, which are more burnt orange color. So we're going to dot in the brown and we're going to add the stem, and as you will be able to tell in a second, the stem is different compared to the previous pumpkins. And again, one last time, we're going to add the screw pin and secure it using some brown polymer clay. And the very last bit for these is to add the eyes for the spooky pumpkins. And I'm just using some rolled out black polymer clay to create a little face on the pumpkin. So we're going to clean off the dust of each piece using a bit of isopropyl alcohol on a Q-tip, and I love this process because you can see all the dust coming off and I find it really satisfying. And then we're going to bake them at 110 degrees for 30 minutes in an oven. So the last part is to assemble each piece. They all turned out so adorable, so it's time to pack them. So we always attach the earrings to the earring card. This one is a bit of a struggle, but all the other pairs have just the stud-like backs and they're very easy to attach. So I'm going to do that to all of the pairs. I also like to add this rubber bit to protect the backs from piercing any of the packaging. And then each pair goes into its own little bag to protect it from any scratches. So this person actually ordered 4 pairs of earrings, so we added a little freebie, which is the polymer clay knot studs in burnt orange. So then each of the pairs is going to be wrapped in a bit of green tissue paper, and we're going to secure it with a little sticker. So now I'm just going to pack it all up in a box and add a thank you card, and then we're going to close the box and put a bit of tape on it to secure it and a little sticker, and then we're going to stamp the box with our stamp. And now it's ready to go to its new home. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons, and we'll see you next week. Bye bye!